Are you a high-level user that also uses Google Ads alongside lead forms? Well, today I'm going to walk you through the Google Ads integration with HighLevel, which allows you to connect Google Ads with HighLevel so that all of your leads from Google Ads and lead forms sync directly with your CRM. To connect Google Ads, just go to Settings, Integrations, and then Google Ads on the sub-account level, and you can click Manage from here. You can then click Install and then click Allow and Install in order to install the Google Ads app. You can then click Connect to Google Ads and then sign into Google and click Continue. And then once you've logged into Google Ads, you'll see your Google Lead Ads setup screen where you can select your Google Ads account, which we just connected, and then select the actual account. And then select the name of the Google Ads account that you want to sync with your CRM and click Connect. Now, inside of your Google Ads account, all you have to do is go into your campaign, click Edit, find your lead form. If you haven't created a lead form for your campaign, just select your campaign as a leads campaign, and you can find the lead form in order to test and edit what information you're collecting from your customers. Inside of the form itself, you can collect things like email, phone number, name, etc. And then all of this information will immediately be ported into HighLevel via our integration that we just created. And if you want to test out your lead form, all you have to do is click Send Test Data at the bottom of your lead delivery options section whenever you're editing your campaign. Then inside of HighLevel, you'll be able to see your lead form that's been imported into this section under the Google Ads screen. You'll be able to map all of your different fields. And then you can even launch workflows off of your Google Lead Ads forms being submitted. So we can log into our workflow builder. We can look up Google Lead Form Submitted. We can select our ad account here, as well as the form that we're actually going to take our submissions from. And then we can save this trigger. And then we can run whatever automations we want to off of this trigger. So things like texting our leads, emailing our leads, we can do all of this from HighLevel. So this is a super valuable part of the platform if you have any customers or even if you yourself are running ads with Google Ads leads form, because now HighLevel can be the one-stop solution in order to email and text those leads as soon as they come in from Google Ads. Now, if you have any questions about the Google Ads leads form integration, feel free to drop a comment or refer to the help doc. So feel free to start sharing this with your customers and testing this out in your own sub account. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment on this video or refer to the rest of the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.